Thank you guys for your support. I wanted to show you some of the gear I purchased with the Patreon donations that you've been sending. And also we're picking a winner for this security camera giveaway that we did a little while back. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what I've been up to, and that's it. Just a real simple video. Let me show you some of the gear first. I'm very excited about it. This is what I had. This is pretty old. It's an old halogen bulb that burns out a lot. It gets really hot. So it's big, burns out a lot, and it's extremely hot. That's what I had been using for a while. And I did have that little LED one, but that's not bright enough. The lighting in here has always been a problem for making videos. So this is one of the things I purchased. Let me turn it on here. You can adjust the intensity like that, and also the temperature. So if you don't know, daylight is more blue. You see how that's more blue? And then the lights up there are more yellow. I can switch it so they match. I need to change all of this. This is where I film most of my videos. I want to put up some walls, fix the ceiling, put outlets here because I'm using so many tools that I don't like running extension cords and making the tripod with the camera fall over. Luckily, I've never broken a camera, but I came close. This is the other thing that I purchased. It's a monitor for the camera so I can see if I'm in focus. So normally when I'm filming, I have this little screen. It's like 2 inches. I can't tell if I'm, it looks great when I'm looking at it, but when I go back to the computer to edit, it's out of focus. So this camera will tell me if the levels are right, you know, if I'm blowing out the image with being overexposed or not. Look at that, isn't that cool? I'm so excited about this. Thank you guys. This wasn't cheap. This is a small HD, the 7-inch I think. I don't know much about it. I've never used it. This is all very new. I only just opened the boxes the other day. Put wheels on it so I can move the camera around wherever I want. So if I'm working over this table and I need the camera to be right up on it to show something I'm working, if I undo this arm, I can move this out. You see that? So when you do extend it out, you need to make sure that it's not going to fall over, being overextended. So you can put weight at the bottom of these rollers on that stand there. So there it is. That's the new rig. Much improved. All right, let's pick a winner for this. Thank you to Kitty Hawk for supplying this extra camera, battery camera to a viewer. So here's how this works. It's commentpicker.com, and you enter in a URL or whatever. So I entered in the URL to that video that you guys entered in it. It's going to filter duplicate users and also anybody who entered Kitty Hawk. That was the rules there. So all I do is hit start, and it's going to pick a winner. And the winner is Jet17 with the comment, "Another nice video by AdamDIY. Looks like the Kitty Hawk camera has great video. Good luck, everybody." Anyway, there you go. So send me a private message with your address and I will send that out to you. Thanks everybody who entered, and if you want to check me out on any of my other YouTube channels, I have a few others, but this is really one of the main ones I actually focus on and do a lot of uploading. Take care guys, have a great Independence Day tomorrow, and I'll see you next time.